everybody, today we're going to play SCP-3008. Now I have to find a home. This is a fan recommendation show, so we're gonna have to build a house somewhere, so we will survive the 300, or pretty much this Swedish. Where should I camp or stay? Whoa! Is that a human? Bro, he made a tiny little hut. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh shoot. No, drop, no. What? I need help, bro. This guy I know. No! I need to get inspiration from him. Okay, I got all of that in my head. I have to these Ikea workers, man. Okay, I wanna set this as my home or something. Set this as my home. Color the blue. Okay. Woo! Finally. Okay, I have time. I have time right now. Bro, where's the... Okay, there. Okay, let's try to make those stuff that I saw from that guy. Okay, get these things first. These things. These. Okay, put that around. Drop. By the way, like and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos. Okay, we're just gonna have to build a house here. Also, if you're new to... Oh yeah, pretty much. Get this thing. R. Rotate. Kick the bucket. What did I kick? Okay, so I just have to get... I know that the top he had was a table. Just like these things. It's gonna be more bigger since this is the only table nearby, so. Okay, but we're gonna put that here first. Then we're gonna get all of these things. Then I'll be safe. Just put it around it. Okay. You can skip this part, so. Okay. We also need a door, which I'm probably gonna get killed by because, well, I don't really want to go out, but okay. Oh. Wait, what? Okay. Put it like that. Okay, there. We need more fences so we could make a perfect square. No, not a perfect square. Just gonna have a square. There. Okay, we just have to... Okay, we're gonna make the door. I don't know how to get a door somewhere, but I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna pick from here. Can I get this? No. I don't really got anything here. I think it's running out of time now. I guess this is gonna be these things. A bookcase. There's a oh no, there's an Ikea worker nearby. Yep. Please don't be night. I'm trying to build a house. If the music stops, does it mean that it's gonna be midnight? Please. I don't want anything right now, bro. I need to get okay. That guy gave me a lot of inspiration, so... Oh. Rotate. That. You know what? This thing... You should probably, like... How can I? How do I? How do I like? Right there. And then we're gonna get this. I think we need a more and like that. Okay, just need more tables like that. Come on, get the stocks. I'm kind of scared now because I saw Ikea guy there. Oh. Okay, there. It stays still there. Okay, good. We have great observation at. Oh, there's a guy cut in half there. I mean, I thought it'd be quick. We're just gonna go midnight. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Go, 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 go. Be fast and make the roof. Wait. There. Whew! We're fully safe. I can't believe we actually. No, I think this is an unskippable death trap. You know what? We're gonna put a office desk for our door. Also, we're gonna live here forever or something because I don't really want to go out there anymore. How do I? No, 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 no. I don't want. How can I? No, no tea, no tea. Okay, there. Can we crouch? I think we need that a little bit more higher. How? There. I think that's all fine. Wow, this is actually a working base. I can't believe it. I'm so proud of myself. Get that first. Rotate. Wait. Is it? Is it like this? X. Oh no. Oh no. That's all fine though, right? Right? I wish I had a light. You can get this right now. There. Woo! We got a light. Whoa. I think this. Okay, this counter is kinda annoying, but it's all fine. How do I? Okay, there. That's all fine. Oh my gosh, we survived. We have a home this time. Oh, I guess everybody outside is dying or something. Where can I put this? Like, okay, I'll stand up. You know what? There. Tested the waters. Wait, there's like bad water here. Yo. Okay, now I have to like be careful on what water I pick. It's dangerous now. There. What? Why wouldn't that drop? Bro, I wanted. Bruh. Why can't I drop the. Okay, come on, drop it somewhere or something. Oh. I guess it's there now. Oh, they're just right outside. Ooh. At least we made a house. But like and subscribe to the channel. I wish I had wait, energy. Do I need food in this game? Oh my. It's a guy right out there. Bruh. At least we made a home. This is my first house here. I'm having very, very, very scary vibes now. Give me this wood fence. At least we have a little bit of light. At least. What's interact? Not right now. What's up with the energy? Does it kill us or something? Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Please you get. Please. I'm gonna try to survive for like 2 more nights and then we're gonna end the video or something. Oh. At least I'm safe at least. Anybody near me, I will let you enter the house because the last time that guy did not let me in. Ooh. Please, the night should be done now, right? This office desk is literally my door. My door. I mean, it's peaceful out here, right? Am I a test subject or something? So I think we need food in this game, cause energy. I think we need food for energy. So it's gonna be kind of bit of a problem now, since I have not found any food, anything or anybody that has ever let me into their probably big base. Why? Come on, put the. Bro, this thing has the most slowest reaction time. Drop it. Okay, there. Wait, where's my light? Bro, where is it? How can I go like not first person or something? Oh wait. The game's lagging or something. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my. I'm not moving at all. It's definitely gonna kill me, right? Oh. What is SFT? I need to reset this thing. I am not moving at all because I know I'm definitely gonna get killed by him. You could drop. Throw. Oh. Wait, what? What? Bro. What was that? I need light now. I got nothing. Bro, I'm keeping my eye out. I need light. Like seriously, I need light. This thing does not let. This thing is really bothering my vision. I need to kick it out or something. Come on, throw. Why doesn't that work? I think we really need food. We have to venture out, but my game is literally glitching. Well, uh, what do we do now? Like, I just made a house. Can tell me, please? I need to find humans too. I can't just be here all alone. My sanity is gonna get destroyed or something. Like, I'm gonna be feeling so lonely. It's gonna be like Thanos or something. Come on! Just this thing just not drop. Well, just kidding. What's that? Yo, there's a guy in there. If you don't see it, I'm gonna die because my energy's gonna blow up. Okay, something's chasing me or something. I'm gonna go down first. Whoa. Yeah, I know the store is closed, even though it's like an infinite maze. Somebody got killed. Rip John Vincent 10_12. Long name. Can we survive this night or something? I have no inventory at all. Q. I want something here. There's a picture mode? P. Haha. Delete. Oh. It's kinda getting boring since... What was that? So I could go. Whoa! Wow. Just saying, I need help right now. I think my energy's gonna go low or something. Yep, my energy is 41. This is going hard now. I have to go out. Like, seriously, I have to go out. I can't even get out. Wait, I can't get out now. I can't get out. No! Well, how? I need to get out. I need to get out now. Well, I guess I'm gonna die because I don't know how to drop this thing. Well, I guess that's all it for today. See y'all next week. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. See y'all. Hello everybody. I am just saying that